Hi guys, I'm gonna show you another idea for another gift. I didn't know it was one of my kids' cousins' birthdays, but we still wanted to give him something for his birthday because his birthday is today. So this is what I got him. I went to Dunkin' Donuts and got him some donuts. 6 donuts. I believe he's gonna be 12 or 13. I can't remember. So then we also got him a Pizza Hut gift card, $25 pizza gift card. And then my son said he likes playing games, so we got him a gift card to GameStop. So in that way, whenever he goes, he can order pizza and he can pay it with this card. My kids wanted to give him a birthday card, so they liked this one. He thought this one was super cute. It said, "Smart is the new cool." I guess that makes you super cool. Happy birthday. And then we're gonna sign our name here and I'm gonna go take it. And then this is a good idea for a gift as well.